We're the master developer of a large-scale redevelopment project in Somerville, Massachusetts, some 20 acres around a new Green Line stop. The impetus for this project was really a vision that the city of Somerville and the community here in Somerville had for the neighborhood, which was really to leverage the new Green Line stop, the new transit stop, into creating a new employment district here in Union Square that would be another node within the Boston, Cambridge, Somerville innovation economy.
Building in Union Square in Somerville has been really rewarding. It's super interesting being right here in Union Square.
We've really seen a rejuvenation of this area. Boston has now brought the T station, the train, to this location. It makes it much more accessible for people. There's many restaurants and things to do that never were here before.
So we're in 10 Prospect, which is 196,000 square feet, 7-story, purpose-built lab building targeted at the life sciences community. And so this building has been purpose-built to allow life sciences companies to develop therapies, advance their drugs, do all the things that are important to their businesses. It's really the first large-scale commercial building in the heart of Union Square in a century, and is a real milestone towards transforming this neighborhood into an employment center. Given the critical nature of the work that the life sciences companies that occupy this building are doing, having continuous power is important to the success of their business. They're running experiments that last days, weeks, months, and having that continuity is paramount to their success. So because it's paramount to their success, it's paramount to our success. So partnering with CAT to bring standby generators into the building that could ensure that they have reliable power throughout their stay here in the building was critical for us.
We already had the base building generator here on the roof. So we have a 750 kW C18 generator. And even though we already have diesel on site and up here on the roof, it made more sense for the tenants to go gas. And so what we took into consideration was emissions, the fuel process of getting it up here and so forth, and piping, and natural gas made the most sense. We offer dual fuel systems so that we can have both propane and or natural gas available. And that comes in handy when the utility goes down, you can fall back on, say, a propane tank to back up the system in case natural gas isn't available. So in times of a catastrophe, say a hurricane, or we get a lot of ice storms here in New England, in those cases, it's good to have a CAT sitting behind you. Each tenant for this building is going to have their own generator and be responsible for their own power source.
We have a long history of working with Milton Cat on numerous projects across New England with all sorts of different size generators with successful outcomes.
The end user also understood what they get when they buy from Caterpillar. They get responsiveness, they get reliability, and all of those things that we're known for.
CAT has been a good partner to us throughout this project. David and his team were there to support us and get the generators to the site as soon as possible.
I'm very proud. And just to know that we can be part of something that's going to help the city grow and be positive is a great thing.